today. Let's start by introducing yourself.
I'm friendly and hardworking person. I currently graduate Bachelor of Science and Entrepreneur. I enjoy helping people and have strong communication skills, which I think make me a good fit for sales room.
Why do you want to work here?
I admire the brand and how you prioritize customer service. I love to be part of a team that value great customer experiences.
How do you handle difficult customers?
I stay calm, listen to their concerns, and try to find a solution. I believe patience and empathy a long way.
How do you deal with sales targets?
I'm goal-oriented and see sales target as a way to challenge myself and grow. I stay motivated and focused.
Do you have any sales experience?
Not officially, but I've had experience helping people and promoting product during school events. I'm confident that I can quickly learn and succeed in the room.
Thank you again for your time today. I have enjoyed knowing you more about the store and the room, and I'm excited about your skills to contribute to our team.
Thank you for the opportunity to interview today. I'm excited and the possibility of joining your team and contributing.